Good morning, students. I hope you are spending your precious time at your home. But in this epidemic disease, I hope you are safe at your home and you are studying at your home to see or watching the video which are broadcast by Little Angels Academy. Now, I am telling you about the topic correct form of the verb. Correct form of verb. This topic is very important, not only in 6th, 7th, 8th class, but also 10th, 11th and BABS. Correct form of the verb. I have told you about present indefinite and present continuous. Now we are discussing on third tense, that is present perfect. Today we discuss on present perfect and present perfect continuous. Present perfect, its helping verb has, have, and main verb, third form of the verb. What? Third form of the verb. Here two helping verb are given. So use of has the third. It is used when our subjects are he, she, it, name and singular noun. Singular noun एक वचन संज्ञा. Have the third when our subjects are I, we, you, they and plural noun. जब हमारे वाक्य में कर्ता एक वचन के होंगे इसी इतने, देन वी यूज हैज बी थर्ड, और बहुवचन के होंगे तो हैव बी थर्ड. इफ दीज एडवर्ब्स आर गिवन इन द सेंटेंस लाइक ऑलरेडी, जस्ट, yet, so far, recently, lately, already, just, yet, so far, recently, lately, up to now. Generally, these adverbs come in the sentence. At that moment, we use प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. यदि वाक्य में ऑलरेडी, जस्ट, येट, सो फार, रिसेंटली, अप टू नाउ, लेटली ये एडवर्ब दी हुई हैं तो आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस की हेल्पिंग वर्ब, मेन वर्ब यूज करनी है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज, हैव, मेन वर्ब थर्ड. लाइक दिस आई स्पेस ऑलरेडी स्पेस pay my fees in the school. So first of all find out the adverb. Which adverb is given in this statement? Adverb छांटिए. कौन सी adverb दी हुई है? Already. Already adverb is given in present perfect. So that sentence belongs to present perfect tense. I is given here, so we use have. Our answer have. And third form pay, third form of pay, paid. Have paid. I have already paid my fees in the school. That is perfect tense. Like this space Gopal space meet his friends on his birthday so far. Question mark. What is given? So far is given. So far adverb is belongs to, so far comes to present perfect. Gopal is name, so we use has. And third form, what is the third form of need? Met. As Gopal met his friends on his birthday so far. Like this, my class teacher space just go outside. What is given? Just is given. So that adverb is given here and it belongs to present perfect. So we use helping verb and main verb of present perfect. What is the helping verb? Has. What is the subject? My class teacher. My class teacher, singular or plural? Teacher, singular. So has. And third form of go went, gone. My class teacher has just gone outside. अभी बाहर की ओर चले गए. Like this. Recently, the Prime Minister space begin new schemes in India. What is given? Recently. So this sentence belongs to present perfect. What is the subject? Prime Minister. Prime Minister is singular noun, so we use has. And third form of begin. Second form began. Third form begun. Has begun. So like this, you must write present perfect in your notebook. Next, we discuss about the present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Now we are talking about the present perfect continuous. Helping verb has been and have been. Continuous, fourth form of the verb. It means first form plus ing. We have discussed about present perfect. In it, we learn to use has. Has used with singular noun, have used with plural noun. Now we are talking about the present perfect continuous tense. So has been, fourth form, used with singular noun, and have been, fourth form, used with plural noun. ही सीट नेम और एक वचन के साथ हैज बीन आएगा और आई वी यू दे बहुवचन के साथ हैव बीन आएगा. When you saw, since, for, all plus time in the statement at that moment, you must use present perfect continuous. Present perfect and present perfect continuous. Present perfect और present perfect continuous. What is the difference between both tense? Mind it. If since for all plus time is given, at that moment we use present perfect और present perfect continuous. ध्यान रखना कि since for all plus time दिया हुआ है तो present perfect tense भी यूज करते हैं और present perfect continuous भी करते हैं. present perfect, perfect माने पूर्ण, continuous मीन्स जारी. माइंड, ध्यान रखना कि वाक्य को बोलते समय जो कार्य पूर्ण हो गया, कंप्लीट हो गया, उस समय आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट यूज करना है. और जिस वाक्य को बोलते समय ब्रैकेट में जो क्रिया दी हुई है, काम दिया हुआ है, वो जारी है और वाक्य में सिंस फोर प्लस टाइम दिया हुआ है तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. माइंड इट. सिंस फोर ऑल प्लस टाइम दिया हुआ है, यदि उस वाक्य में ब्रैकेट में जो काम दिया हुआ है, वर्ग दिया हुआ है, वो काम वाक्य को बोलते समय पूर्ण हो गया तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. और यदि वो काम चल रहा है, जारी है, तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. लाइक दिस. मुस्कान स्पेस टीच in this school since 2015. What is given? Since plus time. Since plus time ये दिया हुआ है. टाइम मीन्स डे, मंथ, वीक, ईयर, आवर. तो सिंस के बाद टाइम दे दिया. सो परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. वाई? बिकॉज कि मुस्कान इतने समय से इस स्कूल में पढ़ा चुकी है या पढ़ा रही है? पढ़ा रही है. कंटिन्यूअस का भाव है. सो योर आंसर इज हैज बीन फॉर टीचिंग. हैज बीन टीचिंग. इफ नॉट इज गिवन इन योर सेंटेंस लाइक दिस, यू not celebrate your birthday for 2 years. तो 4 प्लस टाइम, 2 वर्षों से अपना जन्मदिन. सेलिब्रेट इट मीन्स मनाना. तो तुम 2 वर्षों से अपना जन्मदिन नहीं मना रहे हो. सो हैव नॉट बीन सेलिब्रेटिंग. सॉरी, हैव नॉट बीन सेलिब्रेटिंग. यू हैव नॉट बीन सेलिब्रेटिंग योर बर्थडे फॉर 2 years. कि तुम 2 वर्षों से अपना जन्मदिन नहीं मना रहे हो. तो हेयर 4 प्लस टाइम इज गिवन, सिंस प्लस टाइम इज गिवन. लाइक दिस. सी कुक फूड since morning. What is given? Since plus time is given. So present perfect. See has been cooking. She has she been cooking food since morning. And at last example, Radhika decorate her room since 2 o'clock. O means O means ka. It means O का घड़ी के 2 बजे. सिंस प्लस टाइम दिया हुआ है. डेकोरेट माने सजाना. 2 बजे से सजा रही है. ये काम अब भी जारी है. सो हैज बीन minded about present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous and present perfect. I have taught you 4 kinds of tense in present. प्रेजेंट में 4 प्रकार के वाक्य पढ़ चुके हैं. प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस. I ask you some questions and give some exercise in next PDF. That's it.